folks, I have a really cool little alto ukulele to show you today, number 804. The body is some beautiful, lightly curly, light-colored myrtle. It comes from Portland. And it's really fun, like with me and Myrtle, this is my quote-unquote plain myrtle, but it is really beautiful. And I just went with a simple myrtle binding with it, and then some beautiful grafted, funky pistachio for everything else. Really cool how the reds and pinks come out when up against the myrtle background. And then a simple Porterford cedar neck with a little stripe down the middle. Just standard bean sprout stuff. It's all West Coast woods. Real lightweight, simple, and beautiful. Yeah, and the alto size is like my small concert big soprano. It's kind of just a nice all-around smallish instrument, and it's proven pretty popular with folks who don't want to play a tenor, but still want something with a good dynamic range and good sound. Yeah. Number 804. Cheers.